what are the remedies to control snoring during pregnancy? So the best thing to do is to reduce or to make sure that the weight gain during pregnancy is not too much. They have to have a lot of water. Hydration really helps in reducing snoring. The head has to be slightly elevated. They have to use 1 or 2 pillows to keep the head elevated while they are sleeping. Sleeping on the sides is also very good to prevent snoring. Also, there will be a humidifier machine which can help them. Nasal drops is another option when nothing else works. So these are the things that can help in reducing snoring during pregnancy.